Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by protecting your data. Back up WhatsApp to Google Drive and make a local copy. Once done, install an iOS-style launcher and icon pack to change visuals. This is why you do it first. Icons and home screen must match before app tweaks. Make sure to enable app install from unknown sources if using non-Play Store packages, and grant storage and contacts permissions so backups, restores, and keyboards work correctly. Now proceed to modify the app safely. Next, you change the in-app appearance. Install a compatible iOS-themed WhatsApp client or apply an iOS theme with a trusted mod. This swaps bubbles, fonts, and the header to match iOS. Once applied, import iOS-style sticker and emoji packs so visuals remain consistent across messages. Then install an iPhone-like keyboard and adjust predictive text, autocorrect, and emoji preferences so typing feels native. Make sure to test a small chat to confirm. Finish by aligning notifications and system behaviors to iOS. Set iPhone tones, banner styles, and lock screen previews inside both WhatsApp and your launcher settings so alerts match. Once satisfied, create a fresh local backup of your customized setup and export any important chats. If something goes wrong, app crashes, broken features, or missing media, clear the app cache first. Then reinstall, consider returning to the official WhatsApp, and restore your backup. If issues persist, switch to a different theme or a more reputable mod.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.